Creative garden ideas transform your outdoor space. Welcome to our channel. We explore innovative ways to enhance your outdoor living space with stunning garden ideas. So if you are new here or if you like these ideas, first of all like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon, and this video share to your friends and family members. Maximize your space with vertical gardens. Utilize walls, fences or especially design structures to grow a variety of plants vertically. This not only adds visual interest but also increases planting area, making it perfect for small space. For those with a limited space or mobility, container garden offers endless possibilities. Explore different types of containers, from traditional pots to repurposed items like old tires, wooden crates, mix and match plants, and variety of heights, colors and textures to create a vibrant display. Combine a beauty and function by crafting edible plant into your landscape design, from fruits, trees, and perennial bushes and herbs to vegetables. Each landscape adds personal practical element to your garden while providing fresh homegrown produce. So if you like these ideas, first of all like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon, and this video share to your friends and family members. Invite nature into your backyard by creating a habitat for local wildlife. Craft native plants, birds, feeders, and water features to attract birds, butterflies, and insects. By supporting biodiversity, you should not only enjoy the thriving ecosystem but also contribute to environmental conservation efforts. With these creative garden ideas, you have a power of transform your outdoor space into a personal paradise. Don't forget like, share, subscribe for more garden inspiration. Until next time, happy garden. Thanks for watching.